Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What would you call a female rat? Is it A, a gander, B, a hen, C, a doe, or D, a soar? The answer is C, a doe.
A female rat is called a doe, just like a female deer. These clever creatures are known for their incredible memory and social skills. In fact, does can recognize their own names and even laugh when tickled, making them surprisingly affectionate pets.
Question 2. What is the word for male badger? Is it A, a boar, B, a jack, C, a dog, or D, a tom? The answer is A, a boar.
A male badger is called a boar, just like their wild pig counterparts. These nocturnal creatures are known for their impressive digging skills, creating elaborate underground homes called setts. Interestingly, badgers can dig up to 10 meters of tunnel in a single night.
Question 3. What infectious lung disease is known by two letters? Is it A, TB, B, CC, C, AK, or D, HF? The answer is A, TB.
TB, short for tuberculosis, has been around since ancient times and even found in Egyptian mummies. This sneaky bacterium can lie dormant for years before causing symptoms. Despite its long history, TB remains a global health challenge today.
Question 4. What is nephrology the study of? Is it A, sacred texts, B, the kidneys, C, heat, or D, death? The answer is B, the kidneys.
Nephrology is the fascinating medical specialty dedicated to the kidneys, those bean-shaped organs that filter about 50 gallons of blood daily. They not only remove waste but also balance electrolytes and regulate blood pressure. Without these multitasking marvels, our bodies would be in serious trouble.
Question 5. What disease may be diagnosed by checking vitamin B12 levels and is characterized by a lack of red blood cells? Is it A, arthritis, B, cancer, C, anemia, or D, diabetes? The answer is C, anemia.
Anemia, often diagnosed by checking vitamin B12 levels, can make you feel like a drained battery. This condition isn't just about fatigue, it can also cause strange symptoms like a swollen tongue and even pins and needles sensations due to nerve damage.
Question 6. What is the name of a shape with 10 sides? Is it A, octagon, B, hexagon, C, decagon, or D, triangle? The answer is C, decagon.
A decagon, a 10-sided polygon, has a fascinating connection to ancient architecture. The Greeks and Romans often used decagonal shapes in their designs, believing they brought harmony and balance. In fact, the Tower of the Winds in Athens features a decagonal base, showcasing its timeless appeal.
Question 7. What is organology the study of? Is it A, the heart, B, stars, C, musical instruments, or D, embryos? The answer is C, musical instruments.
Organology, the fascinating study of musical instruments, delves into their history, construction, and cultural significance. From ancient flutes carved from bone to modern synthesizers, organologists explore how these instruments shape music across different societies and eras. Imagine tracing the evolution of a simple drum into a complex drum kit.
Question 8. What is the more common name for the plant Viscum album? Is it A. Sunflower, B. Marijuana, C. Mistletoe, or D. Tomato? The answer is C. Mistletoe.
Mistletoe, known scientifically as Viscum album, is more than just a holiday decoration. This parasitic plant has been revered since ancient times for its supposed magical properties and was even used by druids in rituals. Plus, it's the reason for countless stolen kisses during the festive season.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember, in the grand experiment of life, curiosity is your best hypothesis. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our world. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Goodbye for now, until we meet again tomorrow. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.